How do you remain hopeful while dealing with climate change distress?
So I think that the hardest part about remaining hopeful about it is doing your own thing isn't gonna make the biggest impact. But I think when you have other friends, other people doing the same thing as you and trying to help eliminate this problem, it makes it better.
I would say, okay, well, I'm from Hawaii, and I know the land and taking care of our climate is really important to me and stuff like that. So I'm very hopeful when it comes to activists trying to promote that, taking care of our environment and everything. And I even see here at school a lot of people that's really important to them and stuff like that.
I remain hopeful because I see a lot of people who are doing the work to help the world deal with climate change and also to try to slow it. And so that's how I'm able to find hope, because I know there are good things that are going on in the world to work with climate change.
For me, I just focus on being myself, just do my own thing. Currently, there's the pandemic going, which makes climate change a lot harder. But for now, I'm just being hopeful for what we have right now. Just living how it is, living life, and we'll deal with the consequences later on, just because it's hard to get back from where we are right now.